Welcome to the City of Angels. Today we're beginning an immersive walking tour of Los Angeles, starting right here in the heart of the action. No visit to LA is complete without a glimpse of the legendary Hollywood sign. It stands as a symbol of dreams and the magic of the silver screen. Down on Hollywood Boulevard, we find the Walk of Fame, where over 2,700 stars honor the biggest names in entertainment history. Just ahead is the historic TCL Chinese Theater, famous for its handprints and footprints of Hollywood royalty. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Escaping the hustle of the Boulevard, we head up to Griffith Park, one of the largest urban parks in the United States. Perched on the hill is the Griffith Observatory, offering some of the most spectacular views of the entire Los Angeles basin. From here, the city stretches out before us like a vast, endless map of possibilities. It's truly breathtaking. Next, we cruise down the Sunset Strip, the pulse of LA's nightlife and music scene for decades. The Chateau Marmont sits quietly above the Strip, a legendary retreat for the stars since 1929. Now we enter the world-renowned 90210. Welcome to Beverly Hills, a city synonymous with luxury and style. Rodeo Drive is the epicenter of high fashion. This three-block stretch is home to the most exclusive brands on the planet. The window displays here are works of art in themselves, showcasing the pinnacle of fashion and design. Take a stroll down Via Rodeo, where the European-style cobblestones make you feel a world away from the California coast. Heading back toward the heart of the city, we pass along Wilshire Boulevard, a corridor of culture and commerce. At the La Brea Tar Pits, history goes back thousands of years, right in the middle of a modern metropolis. Nearby, the urban light installation at LACMA has become one of the most photographed spots in the entire city. For a taste of local life, the original farmers market has been a favorite gathering spot since 1934. From fresh local produce to international cuisines, it's a sensory delight for food lovers. Right next door is The Grove, a premier shopping and dining destination, known for its beautiful architecture and dancing fountains. As we move toward downtown, the futuristic curves of the Walt Disney Concert Hall dominate the skyline. Grand Central Market captures the diverse soul of Los Angeles, serving up flavors from every corner of the globe. That concludes part 1 of our tour. Join us in part 2 as we explore the sun-drenched beaches and coastal charm. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.